Hi, I'm going to talk about this portable tripod for digital cameras, which are smaller, which you could use to stabilize your digital camera. So the legs are foldable, so you could put it in your pocket, and you could expand them like so. And they cost about $1 or to $5 at a dollar store or online on Amazon or eBay. So to use it, you just screw it in like so. Yeah, so rather simple. And there you have it. So yeah. So now you could take more stable photos. And there's also a screw which you could adjust to make the angle different. Like this. Or yeah. So it works pretty well for making YouTube videos and taking cam videos or photography. Yeah. So thanks for watching, and rate, comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.